Welcome to Study Loop.
In this situation here, we have unpolarized light passing through a system of three polarizations, polarization sheets, and we want to know what is the percent of the initial intensity that we call I0, that is passing through, that is I3. In a situation like this, we just need to work out case by case what is the intensity passing through, and we eventually arrive at the final intensity. So because the initial light is unpolarized, and depending on the orientation of the first one, the energy that will pass through, the intensity that will pass through is a half. So I1 is a half I0. And now the polarization of the transmitted light will be θ1. So θ1 clockwise is 40 degrees. This will be the new polarization for the situation here. Now, for the second sheet, the intensity will vary depending on the cosine square of the angle between the light that is incident and the orientation of the sheet. So I2 will be I1 cosine square of θ2 prime. And θ2 prime is the angle between the direction of the polarization that is incident of the sheet and the direction of the polarization of the sheet. So θ2 prime is 40 degrees plus 20 degrees, because this is in the counterclockwise and this is clockwise, 20 clockwise. So for this gives us 60 degrees. So this gives us I2 is equal to I0 over 2 cosine square of 60 degrees. Finally, the final part will be a similar thing, because now the direction of the transmitted light is 20 degrees clockwise. So let's write here. So for I3 now, the incident sheet is coming at 20 degrees clockwise. And the third sheet, θ3, is 40 degrees counterclockwise. So the difference is also 30 degrees. So the final intensity will be the intensity of I2 times cosine square of 60 again. And if you write I2 in terms of I0, this is 1/2 I0 cosine to the 4th, because there's 2 cosine square of the 60 degrees. And we can just plug the values here, and this gives us 3.1 times 10 to the minus 2 I0. This means that only 3.1% of the initial light passes through to the whole system.